Looking for a slice of paradise right on Waikiki Beach? Let me tell you about Lotus Honolulu at Diamond Head, a boutique hotel that opened its doors in 2021 and has been turning heads ever since. This place used to be the new Autani Hotel from way back in the 1960s, but after a complete transformation, it emerged as something entirely different. We're talking about a 52-room oceanfront property that combines Hawaiian warmth with Japanese-inspired tranquility. The hotel sits at 2885 Kalakaua Avenue, literally steps from the golden sands of Waikiki Beach, with Diamond Head crater providing a stunning backdrop. What makes this place special is its Zen luxury concept, featuring minimalist design, natural materials, and wellness-focused amenities that create an intimate, serene atmosphere. It's earned itself a solid 4-star rating, with Forbes recognizing it as a 4-star property in 2024. Guest reviews are consistently strong, with Booking.com users giving it an 8.7 out of 10 based on over 1,200 reviews, while TripAdvisor rates it 4 out of 5 stars from more than 800 reviews. The hotel underwent a full renovation in 2021, touching everything from guest rooms to the lobby and spa. They didn't stop there either, refreshing the pool deck in 2024 with new loungers and cabanas, and adding smart room technology in 2025, including keyless entry and app-controlled room features. This isn't your typical massive resort with hundreds of rooms. Instead, it's designed for travelers who appreciate a more boutique, personalized experience where the staff actually remembers your name. Now let's dive into what you'll actually be sleeping in. The Lotus Honolulu offers 3 main room categories, all renovated in 2021 with a sophisticated, neutral color palette and gorgeous teak accents. Every single room features floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light and showcase those incredible Hawaiian views. Starting with the Ocean View King, you're looking at 375 square feet of well-designed space. This room comes with a comfortable king bed, a sitting area perfect for morning coffee, a work desk if you need to catch up on emails, and a private balcony where you can watch the sunset. The views offer either partial or full ocean perspectives, and the room maxes out at 2 adults. What's included? 55-inch smart TV for your entertainment needs, an espresso machine because decent coffee is non-negotiable, a minibar stocked with local treats, a safe for your valuables, traditional yukata robes that make you feel like you're at a Japanese Ryokan Bliss brand toiletries, complimentary Wi-Fi throughout your stay, and air conditioning that actually works. The unique feature here is the Japanese soaking tub, which is deeper than your standard bathtub and perfect for a relaxing soak after a day at the beach. They also offer a pillow menu, so whether you like firm, soft, memory foam, or feather pillows, they've got you covered. Pricing for this room typically runs between $350 and $450 per night during the low season from January to March, jumping to $550 to $700 during peak summer months from June to August. Step up to the Oceanfront King and you get 400 square feet with a similar layout but a larger balcony and direct ocean views with Diamond Head in the frame. This room includes everything the Ocean View King has, plus a luxurious rain shower and even a scale if you're tracking your vacation indulgence. The floor-to-ceiling glass really makes you feel like you're floating above the Pacific, and they've added sunrise alarm features that gradually brighten your room to wake you naturally. Expect to pay $400 to $500 in low season and $600 to $800 during high season. For those who want maximum space and luxury, the Premium Ocean Suite delivers 650 square feet of pure comfort. This suite features separate living and dining areas, 2 private balconies offering wraparound ocean views, and can accommodate up to 4 people, making it one of the few options for small families at this property. The amenities list gets even better with a kitchenette for light meal prep, a washer and dryer for longer stays, and 2 televisions. The real showstopper is the private lanai with a BBQ setup, and you can even arrange for butler service if you're feeling fancy. Low season pricing starts around $700 to $900, climbing past $1,000 during peak periods. Guest photos show people enjoying romantic dinners on their lanai with the ocean as their backdrop. One thing to note is that this hotel doesn't have dedicated family rooms, though they can provide cribs upon request. The rooms consistently receive high marks for cleanliness, with guests praising the crisp white linens, modern bathrooms, and attention to detail in the design. When hunger strikes, you've got 2 solid dining options right on property. The main restaurant is Plumeria Beach Club, a casual beachfront spot that perfectly captures the Hawaiian-Japanese fusion concept the hotel is going for. The setting is absolutely beautiful, with turquoise seating both indoors and outdoors, accommodating about 80 guests total. The menu focuses heavily on fresh seafood, creative poke bowls, and sushi rolls that blend local Hawaiian ingredients with Japanese techniques. Some standout dishes include the ahi poke priced at $28, which features incredibly fresh yellowfin tuna with traditional Hawaiian seasonings. The miso-glazed mahi comes in at $45 and is consistently praised in reviews for its perfectly crispy skin and tender, flaky interior. If you're there for breakfast, don't miss the spam musubi for just $15, a beloved local favorite that's basically Hawaii's answer to a breakfast sandwich. The restaurant does an excellent job catering to different dietary needs, with clearly marked vegan and gluten-free options throughout the menu. Breakfast runs from 7 to 11 in the morning, then they transition to lunch and dinner service from 11 in the morning until 9 at night, with the bar staying open until 11 p.m. Reservations are recommended, especially during peak season, and you can book through the hotel app or Open Table. The dress code is resort casual, so you can come straight from the beach in your cover-up and sandals without any issues. Friday nights are particularly special with their sunset luau featuring traditional hula dancing and fire dancing performances that really showcase Hawaiian culture. The second dining venue is the Lotus Lobby Bar, a more intimate space that seats about 40 people in a dimly lit, atmospheric setting with glowing lanterns creating a romantic vibe. This spot specializes in craft cocktails and small plates, perfect for a nightcap or pre-dinner drinks. The yuzu margarita, priced at $18, has become something of a signature drink, blending Japanese citrus with Mexican tradition in a surprisingly delicious way. For food, the Kalakaua pork sliders at $20 are a must-try, featuring slow-roasted pork that's been cooked in the traditional Hawaiian underground oven style. They run a happy hour from 4 to 6 p.m. with discounted drinks and appetizers, making it a great value. The bar is open from 4 in the afternoon until midnight with a smart casual dress code that's slightly more elevated than the beach club. Walk-ins get priority here, so you don't need to worry about reservations. Wednesday through Saturday nights feature live acoustic music that adds to the ambience without being so loud you can't have a conversation. One limitation to be aware of is that room service ends at 9 p.m. and the in-room dining menu is fairly limited, so if you're a late-night snacker, you might want to stock up on snacks from a nearby convenience store. The pool situation at Lotus Honolulu is quality over quantity. There's one oceanfront infinity pool that measures about 1,200 square feet and ranges from 4 to 5 feet deep throughout. The heated pool is open year-round from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, so early birds and night owls are both covered. The infinity edge creates that stunning visual effect where the pool appears to merge with the ocean beyond, making for incredible photos. Comfortable loungers surround the pool, and you can rent private cabanas for $50 per day if you want some shade and extra privacy. The pool menu allows you to order food and drinks without leaving your lounger, with attentive waitstaff making regular rounds. Towel service is complimentary, so you don't need to bring anything from your room. Some guests have mentioned that the pool can get crowded on weekends, especially during peak season, which makes sense given the hotel only has 52 rooms but the pool is a major draw. The real star of the show, however, is the beach access. The hotel fronts approximately 200 feet of Waikiki Beach, that famous golden sand that appears in countless vacation photos and movies. You're not just near the beach, you're literally steps away from it, with direct access via stairway from the hotel grounds. The beach here is everything you'd hope for, with gentle waves perfect for swimming, warm water year-round, and those iconic diamond head views providing a dramatic backdrop. Beach butlers are available to set you up with umbrellas for $20 per day, and they'll bring you towels, water, and help arrange any activities you're interested in. Speaking of activities, the hotel partners with local vendors to offer watersport rentals coordinated through the concierge. You can rent kayaks for $40 per hour if you want to paddle along the coastline and get a different perspective of Waikiki. Stand-up paddleboards go for $30 per hour and are a great workout while also being surprisingly relaxing once you get the hang of it. The beach conditions are generally excellent, with lifeguards on duty and clearly marked swimming areas. The sand is well maintained, and the hotel's section of beach never feels overcrowded like some of the more public areas of Waikiki can get. Sunrise and sunset from this beach are absolutely spectacular, and many guests mention waking up early just to watch the sun come up over the Pacific with Diamond Head silhouetted against the colorful sky. Beyond the pool and beach, the hotel offers plenty of activities to keep you entertained. The fitness center is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which is perfect for those who like to work out at odd hours or are dealing with jet lag. The equipment is all Technogym brand, considered some of the best in the industry, including multiple treadmills with ocean views, free weights, stationary bikes, and several Peloton bikes if you're into those guided classes. They offer complimentary fitness classes daily, with yoga and Pilates sessions every morning at 7 a.m. These classes typically take place in the dedicated yoga studio or sometimes on the beach if weather permits, and they're suitable for all skill levels from complete beginners to experienced practitioners. If you want more personalized attention, you can book a personal training session for $100 per hour. The trainer can design a custom workout based on your goals and fitness level, and can even incorporate the beach or pool area into your routine for something different. One of the hotel's standout features is the complimentary yoga program, which goes beyond just the morning class. They really emphasize wellness throughout your stay, with the yoga studio available for independent practice when classes aren't scheduled. The hotel also maintains beautiful zen gardens on the property, featuring carefully manicured plants, water features with koi fish, and meditation areas where you can sit and decompress. These gardens incorporate biophilic design elements, meaning they are specifically designed to connect you with nature and promote mental well-being. Indoor plants throughout the hotel and natural materials like wood and stone create a calming atmosphere everywhere you go. For those interested in exploring beyond the hotel, the concierge can arrange various island activities. Popular options include hiking Diamond Head Crater, which is just 2 kilometers away, snorkeling at Hanauma Bay about 15 kilometers from the hotel, or historical tours to Pearl Harbor, which sits about 18 kilometers away. The hotel offers a shuttle service to Diamond Head for just $10, or you can walk there in about 20 minutes if you're feeling energetic. They also run organized tours to Hanauma Bay for $100 per person daily, which includes transportation, snorkel equipment rental, and a guide who can show you the best spots to see tropical fish and maybe even sea turtles. Every week, the hotel hosts live music from Thursday through Sunday evenings between 6 and 9 p.m., featuring local musicians playing Hawaiian classics and contemporary island music. It creates a wonderful atmosphere without being intrusive. The Friday night luau has become a weekly tradition that guests look forward to, with traditional hula performances that tell stories through dance and fire dancing that's genuinely thrilling to watch. During the holiday season, particularly in December, they set up markets featuring local artisans selling handmade jewelry, art, and crafts. New Year's Eve is particularly special, as the hotel's beachfront location provides front-row seats to the fireworks display over Waikiki Beach. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.